QSCadv version 4 also includes Great Graphical Output. Anything you can see on the screen you can print, and you can choose to print an area of the drawing, the whole of the drawing, particular view that you set. So all of those things are possible, and you come and that will print out to any printer that you have. So if you have a PDF printer, then you can print to PDF as well. Now, some of the things you might want to do before you print, you might want to consider these measurement references. So there are a number of things we can change about the measurement reference or the label, measurement label. So first of all, just set it at the moment to show the ID. We can also ask it to show the description. So if we do that, you'll see it includes the description of that measured item. We can also ask it to show the quantity. And you'll see here it's put the quantity, and we can specify how many decimal places we want the quantity to be rounded to. And you'll see it changes it to suit. We can also change the size, so we could bring this down a little bit and make it a bit smaller, and it will shrink it down. We can also change the font. So there's a number of fonts. These are the fonts that are loaded with the drawing. So if I pick one of those and click here, you'll see it's changed the font, which makes it a bit bolder, which might be a bit better. So you can choose from all these settings before you print, and that you might choose there to show quantities or not. One of the things you may wish to do before you print is display a legend. And so I'll turn the legend on. Once I turn the legend on, it asks me if I want to position it, so I can choose where I want to place it. And I can place it over here. And if I pan across that, you'll see now that it has a symbol or an area of hatching for each item or each different measurement type, and a description. So you can see that we've got all different things, grassed areas and underlays of floors and so on. We can also, if we wish, ask it to include the quantities. So if I ask it to include the quantities, then you'll see that they're included as well. Now this is a dynamic legend. So if I start using my filtering that I used earlier, then I can actually, to display different things, my legend will change to suit. So sort by filter, and only ask it to include the items from the tower, then you'll see the legend now only includes the things that have been measured in the tower. If I ask it to do it by the external works, then now you'll see that the items included in the legend are only those that are relevant to external works that are currently shown on the drawing. Also, the quantities change to reflect what's being displayed. So again, if I go back to say show all measurements, you'll see the legend is now fully populated again, and the quants are now full quants for the whole of the drawing.